is ArtworxLegacy, aka Daniel Willis Martinez, and I'm back with a video for my YouTube channel, a 16:9 full coverage, full glam makeup tutorial of how I was able to do this look using mostly drugstore products. And I hope that you guys are doing great. I love you. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and watch all the way through the end to see how you can get this glam with the products that I use. All the products names will be listed in the description box. On to the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is going to be hydrating the skin with the Dominique Ultra Fine Hydrating Mist. And then the next step is going to be using the Dominique Blur and Moisture Serum Primer to prime the skin protected from the makeup. And then we are going to hydrate the face one more time with the Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist. And then I'm going to be using today the Maybelline SuperStay ActiveWear Foundation, and mine is in the shade 125 Nude Beige, so this is like a nice tan color, and we'll be applying this with a wet beauty sponge. And now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer for my dark circles and lids, and I'm in the shade Light Sand. And now we are going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Refresher Foundation in a Powder, and mine is in 220 Sand. So we're going to use this to set the whole face, and we're going to be using the sponge that it comes with. And next we're going to be filling in the brows with a black eyeshadow and a brow brush that's a tiny one, as you can see, that's angled. And then we'll be dipping into these purple shades here. So we're going to be putting this color all over the lid, this in the crease, then an outer edge and crease. Then we're going to be applying this purple shimmery shade on the inner part of our eye, and then topping off the lid with this nice deep purple glitter right here. Okay, so now that we've applied that purple all over the lid, the dark purple in the outer edge and crease, that shimmery purple on the inner area of our eye connecting into the inner crease, and then the glitter all over the lid and slightly in the crease, we're going to apply from this palette this light pinkish purplish mauve color here, and apply that to the lower lash line. We are then going to be applying with a small detailed brush like so. And we're going to be applying this highlight to our inner corner and brow bone. And now we are going to be applying mascara, and today I'm using Lash Paradise waterproof version, and this is in the color Blackest Black. Okay, so I'm just going to pop on some lashes, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to be applying blush, highlight, and a lipstick with a lip gloss over it. So we're almost done with the face. We did the eyes, popped on the lashes, cleaned up some of the makeup from the eyeliner getting all liquidy everywhere. And we're going to do the blush and the highlight. Applying a lipstick, a bright pink lip, which is in the shade, it's my signature shade, it's called Matte 005 Heartbreaker by Revlon, and it's their Revlon Super Lustrous Matte Lipsticks, as well as the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It is in this bright bubblegum pink, and we're going to put it on top of the lipstick, so we're going to apply the lipstick first. Finishing off with the Milani Make It Last Dewy Finish Setting Spray 16-hour to hydrate, illuminate, and set. And right now we're going to use it to set our makeup. And I also sprayed on more of this because the other one was running out. And we're going to let this dry. And this is the finished look, guys. We did purples and pinks and brows. A bright pink lipstick and a bright pink lip gloss. The makeup is purples and pinks, and it's a really beautiful glam 2016 vibes makeup. And I hope that you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, and before you guys go, be sure to check out these videos here. One right here, one right here. And to click that subscribe button down below right here in this area. And I hope that you guys like this video. So check out these videos if you already haven't. I would really appreciate it if you could see my, my makeup transformation compilation music video and some other makeup videos that I did in the past and a couple of years ago or a year ago or so. And if you guys want more of these long form YouTube makeup tutorials, then please smash that like button, share, comment, and do everything you can to make this video go viral. I want this video to hit 1 million views by the end of the year, so if we could do that, 2024, and today is February 21st, which is a Wednesday, and I hope that you guys are doing good. I love you guys, and be sure to check out this video. Bye! Mwah.